Hi, I'm Natalya Drozhzhin. I am with Mom's Dish and I am here in Beef Eats What's for Dinner Culinary Center. Today we will share all the beefy tricks and tips that you need to know for your home kitchen. When you're making your burger patties, you wanna use a mold. If you don't have a mold, you can actually use a lid. So basically what you would do, you would line it with plastic wrap, and this will make it easier to remove the beef from the mold later on, and you just put the beef on the inside just like so, and then it's so easy to pop it out with a plastic wrap. And before you cook your beef patties, you want to place a little dimple in the center. This will minimize shrinking and optimize cooking. What's cool about actually using a cast iron skillet, you can do this any time of the year. If it's cold, it's snowing, whatever season you're in, or even if it's hot, you can do that inside your house. And you'll know when your burger is ready to be flipped because it'll be easy to flip it up just like this. Easy peasy, and just turn it over. You want to enter the thermometer into the center of your burger horizontally to see the doneness of the burger, and the burger will be ready when it reaches 160 degrees. And now we're ready to add that cheese on top. I'll let them sit for a little bit so it melts. I'm gonna move those over, and what's cool about burgers that you can actually really customize it to your own liking. In my family, I am the simple one. I like just lettuce and tomatoes. My husband is pretty bougie. He likes all the toppings you can give him. All the flavor is really in beef, so all that you need in this recipe is actually the good patty, delicious beef, and the rest doesn't really matter that much. I build my burger, and the rest of the guests or my family, they can build their own. I don't have to do the work. I'm good to go. And if you are looking for more tips and tricks, you can find them on beefeatswhatsfordinner.com.